morning, sir. I will discuss the type of network. So the first network is LEN, Local Area Network. LEN connect computers and devices within a small area, such as a home, school, or office building. Example, computer connected in a computer lab. So the purpose of LEN to share resources like files, printer, and internet access. So the second type of network is MEN, Metropolitan Area Network. MEN cover a large area than a LEN but smaller than a WEN, usually a city of a large campus. Example, the network connecting multiple branches of a university in a one city. So the purpose of MEN is to connect a several LEN together within a metropolitan area. And also the third example of network, WEN, Wide Area Network. WEN connect computers and network across large geographical area, even worldwide. So the example, the internet is the largest WAN. And also the purpose of WAN to connect LAN and MAN across countries and continents. So the fourth example of network is PEN, Personal Area Network. PEN is a network centered around a single person device within a short range. So the example of PEN, connecting your smartphone to your laptop or via Bluetooth. And also the purpose for personal data transfer and communicate between nearby device. And also the last example of network, CEN, Campus Area Network. CEN connect multiple LEN within a limited geographic area, like a university campus or a corporate compound. Example, a college with several buildings linked together through one network. And also the purpose of CEN to share resource and data efficiently among buildings. So that is the five type of networking. And now I'm going to discuss and explain the network topologies. There is a six sample of network topologies. First is bus topology. All devices are connected to a single central cable. Data travel in both directions along the cable. Example, older Ethernet network. And there is a disadvantage and advantage. Advantage of bus topology is easy to install, uses less cable. And the disadvantage, if the main cable fails, the whole network stop working. And so the second is ring topology. Devices are connected in a circular path, forming a ring. Each computer is connected to two others. Data travels in one direction or both in a dual ring. Example, used in the some official network and fiber optic system. And the advantage, simple and orderly data flow. The disadvantage, if one device fails, the whole network may be affected. The three example is star topology. All devices are connected to a central hub or switch. Example of star topology. Modern LEN commonly use this. And the advantage is easy to manage. If one computer fails, another keep working. And the disadvantage, If the hub or switch fails, the whole network goes down. The fourth is mesh topology. Every device is connected to every other device in the network. Example, used in a military or critical communication network. Advantages. Very reliable. If one link fails, data can take another route. And the disadvantages is expensive and complex to set up. The five example is tree topology. A tree topology, a combination of a star and bus topologies. Group of a star configured network connected to a main bus line. Example, used in a large organization with several departments. And the advantage of tree topology is hierarchical and scalable. And the disadvantage is if the backbone fail, large part of the network are affected. And the last is hybrid topology. Hybrid topology, a mixture of two or more topologies like star bus or star ring. Sample of hybrid topology, big companies combining LEN and WAN. The advantage of hybrid topology is flexible and scalable. And the disadvantage of hybrid topology is complex and costly to design. So that is the six types of network topologies.